We're researching how pressure affects our brain, which has never been more relevant than right now after the Giants lost by 1 yesterday and missed 2 extra points. We don't know why NFL kickers are still missing field goals, but there's some research I found today that I thought was really interesting. For a while, we've thought that pressure was just pressure, but it turns out pressure is different based on the task and based on what's at stake. The kind of pressure I think NFL players are most under is monitoring pressure. This happens when you have a behavior that you've practiced so much, you've made it automatic. For you and I, it's like walking. For NFL kickers, it's probably kicking an extra point. We're successful at these behaviors because we've automated them in our brains. We've done them so much. Think about all the little tiny things you have to do in a specific order to walk correctly, right? We don't think about it. It's easy. It's automatic. But if you actually try to walk while thinking about all of those things, walking actually gets pretty difficult. And this is what happens with monitoring pressure. You start to think about those little things that are normally automatic for you. And then because of that, you make beginner mistakes. Your behavior gets erratic and inconsistent. They call this choking via explicit monitoring, or just like getting too much in your head. What's really interesting about this is that the person who should have been under the most pressure in this game was the Broncos kicker at the end because the game was on the line. But worrying about consequences is a different type of pressure. That's outcome pressure, which actually distracts you, gets you out of your head. So the question then becomes, and this is like super cool, are there types of pressure that in the right situation actually make you better? Because it's not just practice, right? If it was just practice, there's no NFL kicker that would ever miss a kick. There's no basketball player that would ever miss a free throw, but there's something out there that's more than just preparation.